After RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat advised against ahankar or arrogance, senior RSS leader Indresh Kumar too has sent a message to the BJP. Its Faizabad candidate Lallu Singh and INDIA grouping in a message that is perceived as a veiled message for the BJP. Indresh Kumar said that those who did Ram Bhakti but gradually became arrogant, that party was stopped at 241. In a message to the INDIA bloc, RSS leader Indresh Kumar said that those who had no faith in Ram Day together was stopped at 234. And in the most scathing message to the BJP's Faizabad candidate, that's Lallu Singh, RSS leader Indresh Kumar said that Singh oppressed the people a lot and that Lord Ram took note of the same and made him sit at his home for 5 years. Sources in the RSS are distancing themselves from Indresh Kumar's statements, says sources. They've also reiterated that Mohan Bhagwat's ahankar message wasn't directed towards the Prime Minister himself. It was a general advice to all the Swayam Sevaks.
जिस पार्टी ने भक्ति की अहंकार आया उसको 241 पर रोक दिया, पर सबसे बड़ी बना दी। जिनके अंदर राम की अनास्था थी, अश्रद्धा थी, और उनको सबको मिलकर 234 पर रोक दिया। कहा तुम्हारी अनास्था का यही दंड तुम्हें है कि तुम सफल नहीं हो सकते। इसलिए लल्लू सिंह उसने जनता के ऊपर जुल्म किए थे। राम जी ने कहा थोड़ी देर 5 साल विश्राम कर ले, अगली बार देख लेंगे तेरा भी क्या करना।
And now let's contextualize all these statements as many speculate over an alleged rift between BJP and RSS. Let's tell you about a series of comments which were made during the campaign and after the poll results. On 18th of May 2024, JP Nadda had said, and I quote verbatim, "In the beginning, we would have been less capable, smaller and needed the RSS. Today, we have grown and we are capable. The BJP runs itself. That's the difference." Recently, Mohan Bhagwat, RSS chief, also remember, said that a true sevak, the one who shuns arrogance, and then RSS ideologue Ratan Sharda went on to write in the Organizer that election results are a reality check for overconfident BJP workers. And now you heard what Indresh Kumar had to say about arrogance in the party. Meanwhile, the opposition is latching on to these comments by senior RSS leader, while Congress says, quote-unquote, "Huzur आते आते बहुत देर कर दी." Samajwadi Party is accusing the BJP of learning arrogance from the RSS. Its fountainhead, as per the DMK, it exposes the rift between BJP and RSS.
हुजूर आते आते बहुत देर कर दी, ये अहंकार आज दिख रहा है आपको। जब मणिपुर पे चुप थे प्रधानमंत्री, तब बोले क्या मोहन भागवत जी? उन्होंने याद दिलाया कि आपका ये राजधर्म है, आपको बोलना चाहिए।
हम चुनावी राम भक्त नहीं होना चाहते। मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम के चरित्र को अगर देखिएगा तो आपको ये 241 वाले मीलों दूर नजर आएंगे।
What RSS is saying is just trying to improve its own image. The arrogance of BJP emerges from RSS.
If BJP would have got the adequate number as single largest party, RSS would have spoken all these things, because everyone knows BJP is political wing of RSS. RSS as an ideology which is divisive, sectarian, communal and fascist. The very fact that the RSS is singing a different tune, it shows that all is not well within the BJP.
Mohan Bhagwat ji again punctured the realm of Modi doctrine. It was a great ideological slap on the face of Modi.
Meanwhile, leaders of the BJP too are reacting to the ahankar message by RSS. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Vishnu Diosai says that Congress can't gloat over this message because they haven't even managed to get more than 100 seats in the elections. A BJP MLA from Rajasthan says arrogance crept into the party because of Congress. The Congress leaders who joined the party during the polls, allied JDU, has refused to comment on the statement made by Sangh Parivar leaders.
बहुत बड़ा संगठन है और जितने भी नेता हैं, लोग हैं, लोकतंत्र है, सबको अपने विचार प्रकट करने का हक है। और हम जो है झुक के जो मैंडेट है देश में उसको स्वीकार करते हैं। ये बहुत सालों के बाद ऐसा हुआ है कि तीसरी बार मैंडेट मिला है।
अहंकार अगर हम कहना चाहें तो अगर मान लीजिए कोई व्यक्ति कांग्रेस में था, वो अहंकारी था, वो बीजेपी में भी आ गया, तो अहंकार तो जाएगा नहीं। जो हमारा राष्ट्रीय नेतृत्व है, जिसके प्रमुख माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं, उनमें अहंकार का तत्व नहीं है। उनमें अगर कोई तत्व है तो वो स्वाभिमान का तत्व है, और उसी के कारण अमेरिका हो, रूस हो, चीन हो, जापान हो, फ्रांस हो, ब्रिटेन हो, जहां पर मोदी जी नहीं खड़े हैं, वहां पर वो किसी भी तरह की बैठक अधूरी